Okay, so how do I keep Room to Improve fresh after so many seasons? Well, I think it's all about what you're solving. So I look for a new architectural problem, something that I haven't done before. So even though it might be a bungalow, it may be a semi-D, it may be a regular house, the problem is different. So if I got something that I can get my teeth into and get excited by, I think that's what keeps it fresh. We also have great characters, great homeowners every single year. So that each episode is kind of freshened up with that. So I think it's a whole new set of problems, a whole new set of people. We've got a whole new series. So what's the process for the nightmare problems on Room to Improve? Well, there is no process really. For me, nightmare problems are not nightmares. They're the homeowner's nightmares. It's probably people watching the show's nightmare, but for me, it's a problem that I need to solve, and that's my job. So actually, the more complicated the nightmare, we'll call it that, the bigger, I don't know, the solution needs to be, the more exciting I find the whole thing. What are the biggest trends in Irish homes? First and foremost, I think it's retrofitting. Retrofitting is the big buzzword that's around at the moment. So that's insulation, heat pumps, underfloor heating, and making your house cozy and warm. Secondly, it's dealing with the working from home constantly. So that means getting rid of all the clutter out of the house, creating a home office, a nice place to work. And number three, the walk-in pantry. I have been asked for thousands of walk-in pantries over the last 3 years, and they have become the bane of my life.